everybody, I'm Amy from Amy's Turnkey Travel, and this week we are sailing on Symphony of the Seas and we are staying in one of the villa suites. We are staying on deck 12, room 640. So let's go check it out. Now when you first enter, you do have a very nice foyer. You're gonna have 2 bedrooms directly across from each other and a bathroom with your main living space directly in front. The first bathroom that you are going to see is a normal. It's gonna have your tube shower, basic bathroom you're gonna see on all of their ships of this class. But this is the only bathroom that is not connected to a stateroom within this suite. Your first stateroom when you come in on your left is going to be an interior room. It is one of the smaller of the inside rooms, but you do have the capability to sleep 4. You've got 2 Pullmans that will come down, as well as you can have 2 on the bed. You're gonna have your typical nightstands. You have your vanity area with plenty of shelving. And then of course, with the room, there is lots of storage still. So you have lots of storage within the drawers and within the closet. And the best part is you get the comfy bathrobes. All right, let's move across the hallway and see what's here. On your left, you do get a bonus set of closets. Look at this, tons of storage if you were sailing during the cold months. Place to put your coats. We're probably gonna be using it for luggage. All right, let's go into the next room that's going to be on the right. It is one of the master suites that is in this villa, and it is going to sleep 2 people. You have an elongated desk, you've got your TV. This does open out to a view of the jacuzzi. All right, coming on around, you're gonna notice this massive wardrobe to fit anything and everything you could think of. You have one for my ladies with all of her long dresses that can fit, and then you have an area for clothes storage as well as your safe. You're going to have an ensuite with your bathroom, and this one is equipped with a tub, and then your normal vanity area with some storage. All right, leaving the suite as we enter into the main living area, you're going to see we have a table and we are set up. Our Genie has taken care of us with all of our sweets. And then over on the side, we're going to have a stocked bar. So when you get the suite, you do get a Royal Genie to go along with you, and they will make sure that all of the drinks that you request are here, along with, if you are a Crown and Anchor member, amenities for that as well. All right, moving on into the main living area. There is tons of seating in this villa. So you have a full L couch. We were all here earlier and everybody fit comfortably. Chairs to pull up. You can also have somebody sleeping on the couch. It can convert, as well as you have beautiful, stunning views out into the ocean. We are in port right now, so we have beautiful views out onto the port and our balcony. And then of course, we have our flat screen TV. And I want you to notice there's lots of windows to take in all of the views from this villa suite. So directly off of the living room area is your second master suite. So as you come in, you're gonna notice it's got the Royal King. You're going to have an ensuite closet storage space. You're going to have the flat screen TV with storage both above and below the TV. And in this one, you have 2 closets. So this master suite has plenty of space. You can see how nicely 2 pieces of full-size luggage fit in, and you have your safe with the double closet with plenty of room for all of your things. Okay, moving into the bathroom, you're gonna notice that this bathroom is almost identical. You've got the bathtub and the vanity with storage as well. Let's exit out the second door for the main suite, and we're gonna jump in here to our last interior room. So remember, this has 4 bedrooms. Within this room, you've got 2 vanities. You're gonna have one here and one on the other side that you're going to notice. This room is set up with the beds split into 2, and you also have the option for 2 more beds to pull down from the ceiling. Over in the corner, you've got drawers and you have your flat screen TV. Now the cool thing about this inside room is it has its own attached bathroom. It's very similar to the other one that is in the entryway of the villa. You've got your tube shower and you also have your vanity with storage. And of course, we all love our storage, so we have a full-length mirror that opens up to a closet. This one does have a smaller safe, so while the other ones are larger, this one is not going to be your full laptop safe. Now let's go check out that balcony that you guys got a sneak peek of earlier. You have a couple of ways to get into the balcony. One is from the second master. You have direct access, and another one is here in the main part of the living room. All right, as you come out, the first thing you're gonna notice is this massive table. So not only is there ample space for everybody to eat and be together inside, you can also enjoy a meal, ocean view once you get out of the port with everybody. There is a bar on the far side, also with loungers for you guys to take advantage of all the views. Now sweeping over to the far side of this balcony. So remember, this is huge. It's a great balcony, lots of room, lots of space. You're gonna have 2 more comfy loungers, and you're also going to have your own personal hot tub. All right, so this was a view of the Star Class Suite, Deck 12, Room 640. And as always, you can use the QR code here to contact me and get you on board today. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the next one.